Good day, guys. You're welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be breaking down our journey of turning $5,000 into over $200,000 with the Trend Effect AI robot. This is the first week of the challenge. If you want to follow this journey daily, you can join our Telegram channel using the link in the video description or the pinned comments. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We started this challenge on Monday, and so far, we've made over $29,694 in profit. Our balance is currently at $34,695 in just 5 trading days. I've also been sharing daily updates in the Telegram channel, which you can join using the link below. This shows the consistency of the Trend Effects AI robot. With it, we aim to grow $5,000 to over $200,000. Please note that for this challenge, we are trading in aggressive mode and compounding profits daily. On day 1, the Trend Effects AI robot made a profit of over $614, which is a 12.28% gain on our $5,000 account. On day 2, we made more than $13,000 in profit, over a 268% return in just one day. Our account grew to more than $18,400 as the robot performed aggressively and delivered impressive results. On day 3, we made over $5,000 in profit, taking the account above $23,000. That's over 100% return in a single day and more than 370% overall. On day 4, we made over $8,900 in profit, about a 178% return, bringing the account to over $33,000 in just 4 trading days. At this point, we had achieved more than 567% total returns, and we hit over $34,000 before the day end. On day 5, which was on Friday, the robot did not take any trades due to the bank holiday. The market was slow, with low liquidity and volatility. So, what is the Trend Effect AI robot, and why is it so profitable? The Trend Effect AI robot is an advanced trading system designed to identify profitable opportunities in the forex market, and many users have experienced its strong performance. If you'd like to get access to the Trend Effect AI robot or join this journey, feel free to reach out and get your account activated. Remember, success in trading comes from using the right tools to maintain a consistent edge, and the Trend Effect AI robot is built to help achieve that. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.